Welcome to my super lazy morning. Everyone's gone. It's like 7:46. I didn't even come out of my tent until everyone was gone. I mean, I did. Oh, toothpaste. I did come out, but then I laid back in there and I was like, I don't want to move. All right, I'm finally going a couple minutes before 8. But we're not going far because we're having a nature Nearo. Also, my knee hurts a little bit. Also, what a sound to sleep to. Thank you. So, good news. I was not the last one. I started walking and Thaddy was like, hi. And his tent was still up, so I'm not that lazy. The trail is a river. Oh, yes. As always. We love it. It's funny how different days are different. Yesterday, I wanted to go so fast and crush everything. And now today, I just don't want to move. Thank you to this big log so I don't have to get wet. Hello, flowers. Good morning. At least someone's awake today. So beautiful. This little wonky tree growing is so cool too. Hi, buddy. Hello. You're so cute and beautiful. Kia ora, tamarikima. Kia ora. So pretty. Just gotta do a lot more climbing. I'm tired today. Gorgeous mountain lake as per usual. Beautiful, thank you.
Years of studies.
Years of studies. How many calories that's food?
Oh my god. Sorry, it's just so funny. There's another bird joining on the conversation.
That's a good one. I'll skip that.
Ooh.
I'm getting down to the bottom.
You dropped one. Oh, no.
You're really watching.
You've been good. You've been good. There you go. Everyone gets one bite, and he starts with him, and he passes it one person over, and moves it that way, and uses it, and then comes that. Ooh.
Oh.